increasing your sales results and earning more commission and bonuses. These are the main reasons for taking this selling skills course. Hi, my name is Nico and I will be your instructor for this course. Since 2010, my company and I have been coaching, mentoring and training thousands of sales professionals around the world. From junior professionals to C-level management, they all had the same objective: achieve better sales results. Selling is not an easy thing to do. When some seem to be completely comfortable in meeting and convincing potential clients to buy, many others struggle closing deals and achieving sales targets. A sales job could be a dream job with flexible working hours and a high income. But it could also become a total nightmare involving high levels of pressure and stress. A lot of people will say that you are either born as a salesperson or you are not. I believe this is one of the biggest misconceptions in our profession. In this course, I will share with you how anyone can become a top sales professional. Selling is a skill that we can learn and develop over the years. By the end of this course, you will be able to close more deals, no matter what you are selling and to whom you are selling, because you will learn simple and efficient techniques on how to convince your client to buy from you. You will be able to present your products or services in a more professional, confident and impacting way, because you will be able to build value in the eyes of your customers. And finally, you will learn techniques on how to close deals without needing to constantly discount your prices. This course has been designed as a how-to guide and a simple step-by-step process to follow to achieve the results you want. It has been built upon 15 years of commercial sales, management and training experience, using proven techniques in the areas of sales, communication and emotional intelligence. Now, there is one thing you should know about me. I was not born as a natural salesperson. I am an engineer. Engineers are not known for being the most amiable people in the company and are certainly not known for being comfortable talking to clients. So I had to learn how to sell and convince others to buy from me. I took so many selling courses at the beginning of my career, teaching me tips and tricks to close deals and techniques on how to force people to buy. I followed advices from the biggest name in the industry, copied the style of successful salesperson on TV and online. I even memorized the most impacting closing lines in Hollywood movies. And I failed so many times. I was not getting the results I was expecting. So I decided to learn other skills such as communication, psychology, presentation skills, and leadership. This is when I realized that I was overcomplicating things, that selling could be seen as a simple process, a step-by-step process that anyone could follow and improve depending on what they are selling, their industry, and also their personality. So I've created the structured course I wish I had access at the beginning of my sales career. The course that could have helped me to sell more years ago. Now, if you were like me wanting to sell more and hit my targets, this course has been designed for you. If you are a business owner or a manager and you want to help your team to achieve more, this is the course for you. Whether you have never sold anything before or whether you are an experienced sales professional wanting to learn new techniques or upgrade your skills, this is the course for you. Even though lectures are delivered through videos, it is an interactive course where you will be asked to adapt concepts and techniques through a series of activities to make them even more relevant to your current situation. There is only one thing left for you to do. Click the enroll button and I will see you soon.